Hello. So today is we're going to have a tutorial regarding shell script. Okay. So what is a shell script? A shell script is a computer program designed to run script. Okay. Using the Unix or even the Linux shell. So when we say shell, okay, so this is a command line interpreter, and typically the operations performed here by the shell script includes like file manipulation, it can be program execution, and even printing of text. Okay, so I just want you to take a look at this given terminal. Okay, so on this given case you will be seeing that before this cursor, okay, so we have this dollar sign. This dollar sign symbol denoted that this terminal is working under a regular user, which is the eCastro user. Okay, so now how can we know if we are working with a super user on our terminal? Okay, like for example, let's switch into a super user, which is the root. Okay, and provide the password. Okay, so you will be seeing that the end the of this prompt, okay, is actually a number sign. Okay, so the number sign symbol denoted that the terminal is working with the super user. Okay, let's exit on that. Okay, so now how are we going to create a simple script? So let's start with a very simple program. Okay, of course, for every program we will be starting with the hello world program. So let's create a file in here. Let's name it as hello world .sh. So the the file extension of a shell script ends with .sh. Okay, so then press enter. So this will be our text editor for us to input the shell script program. Okay, usually a shell script program starts with this given statement, which is exclamation point bin and sh. Okay, actually this is only a comment, but it denoted that this text file is actually a shell script. Okay, even though you're not going to declare this one, the shell script will be executed also. Okay, but for the sake of standardization, okay, so that we know that a certain file is a shell script file, okay, so we need to declare this initial line of code. Okay, so if you want to have a comment for your shell script, you just need to input or start it with the number sign symbol. Okay, like this one. This is a comment. Okay, so now since this program will just going to display hello world, okay, we can just type echo. Okay, echo is the keyword for us uh, to display a certain string in our terminal. Okay, so you can just immediately write here hello world. Okay, or even enclose it with double quote will not be a problem. Okay, so let's save this one. Okay, so ls, so you will be seeing here that the hello world, okay, point sh is already here. Okay, so now how are we going to execute a shell script? Okay, so before we can actually execute a shell script, we need to make sure that the file, okay, has a privilege or has a mode of executing its content. Okay, so to check that one or to do that one, okay, we're going to perform chmod, okay, enabling all the thing that we want to to point or to have for a certain file, okay, then followed by the name of the file, hello world.sh. Okay, so before we execute this one, I want to check it first. Like for example, we did not do the chmod. Okay, let's just execute the file by typing that slash hello world.sh. Okay, then run. So it says here that permission denied. So it means the file hello world.sh doesn't have any permission to execute on this given terminal. So that's the reason why we need to type chmod, okay, 777 that slash hello world hello world.sh. Okay, so now let's try it again. Hello world.sh. So we are expecting that the output of this one is just displaying hello world. Okay, so now so now for this given or for the next one is we will be dealing now on how are we going to read a value from the user. So for example, okay, reading a value is actually entering a value in the prompt. Okay, so for example, okay, so let's have or create another file. I'm going to name this one at 001.sh. Okay, then again I'm going to have is slash bin slash sh. Okay, then so I want to echo a prompt like enter your name. Okay, then so I'm just going to type here read. Okay, then I'll be assigning a variable. Naming a variable is actually the same way on how we're going to name variable in any other programming language. For example, I want to put it here person. Okay, so now I'm going to display now the value of that person, echo, okay, just display a message hello. Then I want to put it the name of the person. If you will be using the variable content, so you need to type or you need to append or to have not append, you need to start, okay, the variable with a $ symbol. Okay, person. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so for example, let's save this one. Yes. Okay, then uh, then that before we can proceed, So we need to change the mode of that shell script file 001.sh. Okay, then execute it that slash 001.sh. Okay, so enter your name. So for example, I enter here Eugene Castro. Okay, then enter hello Eugene Castro. Okay, so if you have any question on this part of our tutorial, okay, you can just send me your concern. Okay, thank you very much and see you on our next tutorial.